All right, good evening, everyone. We are going to be keeping an eye out for some more heavy rain as we go into the night. Rainfall totals so far today between about a quarter to a half an inch, 2/3 of an inch down towards the south coast. So nothing extreme. And tonight we'll probably get a little more than what we've had here earlier into the day. But really the main focus is going to be on the widespread strong winds that are going to start to come on in. Now we start to notice them, especially along the south coast where we are expecting the strongest of the winds to happen. But we're going to be keeping an eye out for this all the way until the early part of your day on Tuesday. So we're in first alert mode until noon Tuesday. Winds still breezy afterwards, but going to be much lighter as we head into the second half of the day. Here you are. Tomorrow we're going to sit in the low 50s, but check out what happens afterwards. A lot more of a quiet stretch for us. So let's get through the first part of this night first. Temperatures in the low 50s. South winds coming in only at 9 miles per hour. We got those winds on the lighter side here closer to Puget Sound for the time being because it is going to start to come on in. Currently sustained winds, not even those bursts of winds, sustained are at 41 miles per hour out there for the south coast. Hoquiam, we're at 41. A bit breezy farther north too as you head up towards Bellingham and also up there that way around Friday Harbor. Has some moderate to heavier rain moving over the Kitsap Peninsula right now, but it's the steady stuff that's going to be coming in just off of the coast. That will be more the rain producer as we go later to the night, as we get that swirl of low pressure, that low pressure system to start to head on in and really start to ramp up the rainfall as well as more of the wind. High wind warnings out for the coast through southwest interior and parts here farther east, Kitsap Peninsula and also Puget Sound for possible wind gusts up to 65 miles per hour. I think those numbers, 65 miles per hour out here towards the coast. Farther to the east, maybe closer to 50, 55, maybe getting 60 in a few of those spots. But that's going to be with us until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then we also have wind advisories for winds that could be a bit lighter, but still will be high, coming in close to 50 miles per hour in a few spots within some of those gusts. That also until 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. We got the snow that's going to be falling across the Cascades. Elevations near and above 4,000 feet. Expect anywhere between a foot to a foot and a half of snow here as we go throughout these next 12 to 16 hours. Now, future winds are going to show you that the winds starting out on the coast will stay there here still for another hour or so. It really doesn't start to get going here closer to Puget Sound until we get closer to midnight. 10 o'clock, we're still talking about gusts closer to about 25, 30 miles per hour. Around 43 by that point around Olympia, but by about midnight and then beyond, that's when we really start to see these winds ramping on up as this burst comes in farther to the east, and eventually that'll start to work its way eastward as we head into tomorrow morning. The commute still going to be very breezy, but I think around maybe 8 to 9 o'clock we'll start to see those start to come down a little bit, and we'll stay breezy into tomorrow afternoon, but see a lot less in terms of 40 and 50 mile per hour wind gusts. And then as we head on into the night, we're expecting to see that round of rain come through with that low. That's sticking with us through early tomorrow morning as far as the steady stuff. Behind that will be more off and on shower activity for the remainder of the day, with rainfall amounts here through the night and into the day tomorrow anywhere between a half an inch to maybe an inch and a half ahead. 7-day forecast showing you the busy day that we have around for tomorrow, but then quieter Wednesday through Friday.